In front of me is OnePlus Ace 3C, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist Developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit consent, and to mute the music, click on this note at the bottom left corner. Now to manage wallpaper settings, hit this gear at the top left corner and adjust all of those however you want to. When you finished, you can click on the top right corner and the bottom right corner. Then hit Set as Live Wallpaper, select Yes, tap on Apply and decide where you wish to apply it by tapping on one of the available options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!